please, guys. Who hear me right in chart number 1, and we continue. Guys, please right here that you with me. I need check this. Okay, I see only 2 students here. 3. We need more than 6. Mm-hmm. 4 students. 6, number 6, because in main page it's 6 students. Okay. Okay, today we with you see new frame, it's a three type of frame. I show how calculate this frame, and after this, maybe tomorrow in a main group I give for you your personal homework. You, I see in chart you write that you together see to one screen. Okay, I repeat, I show you how calculate some different frame. Of course, in future I add this video in group. Yeah, and in this group you can see and watch again, and I think it's not problem. You have if you have questions, you ask these questions after I show how calculate this frame. Okay, and I think tomorrow I give personal homework for you, and you do, and after 2 weeks you should send this homework um, to mail. What's the mail? I write in group. Okay, I think we can start. I think we can start. You can see we have frame. This frame have two span. The first span is 1.8. The next span it's 2.5, and some interesting loading. Okay, I think we need create this frame in Lira, and it's mean I open Lira. Okay, in Lira I create this frame, not use create regular fragments and grids. I use add node, touch add node, and after this I need write coordinate. What's the coordinate? See, I need create the first point with coordinate 0, 0, 0. Maybe this will be this node. This node have coordinate 0, 0. Okay, if this, I start create. The first coordinate, what I see, it's the first. Oh, I show this for you in left angle, maybe. In left angle, I think it's normal for you. Okay, what I do, the first coordinates will be 0, 0. Okay, I create this node. After this, the next node, what will be? It will be this node. And this node have coordinate x0, z2. x0, z2. You can see second point. After this, the next point, it's this point. This point have coordinate by x 1.8 and that 3. 1.8, that 3. Apply. You can see 1, 2, 3. After this, we continue with you. The next is this point. Oh, not this. We use this point. This point have that 3 and x 1.8 plus 2.5, and we have 4.3. 4.3. Right, please, this 4.3. Okay, after this we need create another points. It's this and this. Okay, this, that, now 0, that 0, and the next that 0 x 1.8. Touch apply. I create some nodes. Okay, what I do the next? The next I touch add element and start create elements. It's this, and it's this elements. these elements. Okay, the next I create the next elements, this and this and this and this, and that's all. After this I start create restraints. These restraints, go to Lyra, touch, select nodes, select down nodes, go to restraints and these similar restraints, and we impose X, Z and UY. Apply. UI. Okay, we create these restraints. After this we need create some loading. What's the loading we create? The first it will be these forces after this moment, and the shear force we create the last. Okay, what we do? We go to Lyra, select this node, touch load to nodes and elements, choice direction, it's X direction. After this touch this and write the number 25. Okay, I need some minutes. Mm-hmm. 25. I create, I go to flux of drawing, and flux of drawing I can choose the numbers of loading. You see it's 25. After this I see I have mode in middle on this bar. Okay, I touch select elements, select this element, touch loads on nodes, go to the second toolbar, choice direction, direction X, choice moment, and I can see the number of moment it's 16. Okay, after this A, you can see A is the first node to the second. I create this. When I create this bar, the first node will be here, the second here. It's mean A start here. Okay, I write how many. All lengths it's 3. I write 1.5. Touch apply. Oh, I am sorry. I do mistake. I chose not correct direction, of course. Yeah, I delete this loading and I change the direction. What I need it will be UI. I touch UI. Yeah, Y. Touch this. How many we have? 16 and 1.5. Touch apply. You can see I create this moment. After this we need create load, and you can see this load have normal for these elements. How do this? I show the first. I show how I do this. I go to flux and rows and switch on local axis of bars. You can see, yeah, all these bars have local axis. And after this I select this bar, touch loads on elements, select bar, and in coordinate system I choose local. Yeah, it means this not this big coordinate system. It will be local coordinate system. Okay, after this I touch that direction. Yeah, you can see red axis, it's that local axis, and touch this loading and write how many I have. 32. Write 32 and okay, and you can see this load normal to this bar. Okay, after this we need create restraint here. Yeah, you can see in this position we have not restraints, I'm sorry, one hinge. Okay, what we do, we select these elements, go to bars, touch hinge, hinges, yeah. The second node, because it was first, it's second, UI, and touch apply. It's mean we create hinge in this position. After this, I need create stiffness. I select all elements, touch material properties, touch add, rect bar. For this, I write 3E7. After this, 20, 20, touch OK, touch apply, and after this, oh, I forget do one serial part. I forget pack model. Do pack model, yeah. Do pack model. Okay, after this I go to analyze, touch complete analyze, analyze all this, go to result. You can see some results. Touch initial model, switch off local axis, yeah, and I can see integral diagrams. For example, it's N, My, and Q that. You can see, yeah, Q that. You can see we have balance in this node, yeah, negative and in different direction, but by this load we have 0. It's how we calculate this frame. How we calculate this frame. I think you didn't have questions. The next what we continue, it will be this frame. I show how calculate this frame, and the next frame I give for yourself personally work. You should calculate. No, after this frame, I show what the frame should calculate without me. It's personally homework. Okay, if you have questions, you can write these questions now in chat. Nobody write questions. We with you continue and calculate the next frame. The next frame. We calculate the next frame. Okay, what we do? We touch new, select second model type, touch OK. Touch OK. Touch OK. New second model type, OK. Second model type, OK. After this, we need create this scheme. What interesting, I think the most easy create this scheme that use regular fragments and grids. Okay, what we do? We touch create regular fragments and grids. Okay, the first 3 number 2, the second 3 number 2, touch apply, and we create this frame. After this we need delete all we didn't need. Yeah, what I do, I touch select element, select this element, this element, this element, and this element, and touch delete on keyboard, delete. After this, please not forget pack model, touch pack model, apply, and check Dunley nodes. Dunley nodes, touch apply. What this do? You can see I have this node, but after this, when I choose Dunley nodes, touch apply, these nodes, all nodes deleted, and we can create this scheme. Okay, touch create restraints. I touch select nodes, select this node you can see have impulse restraint X, Z and UY. Touch apply. Okay, after this node only impulse Z. Yeah, you can see we can move by X direction. I select this element and fixed only that touch apply. After this, what I see? Oh, I forget. We didn't need these elements. Yeah, I delete this element. Touch plug model, downly nodes. After this, I select this node, restrain, and this node have only X. Touch apply. After this, I need create only forces. What I do, I select this element. Yeah, it's the main difficult forces on this frame. Okay, 26, 32. Select this element, loads on nodes, loads on bars. Select this position, coordinate system global direction Z, this position P. Okay, we check whole flexible part. P1 will be 26, and P2 it's 32, 42. 42. Touch apply, and you can see we create this load. And after this, we need create these forces. We select this node. Yeah, we have node in this position because we create for regular fragments and grids. Okay, we select this node, touch loads on elements here and the nodes. Coordinate system global direction X forces the first, and we write 38. Touch apply, and we can see what we create. We go to flux on drawers. The first we choose with you it's load magnitudes and dimensions on projection. I right touch redraw, and after this I in down panel touch XZ projection. You can see when I touch this I can see dimensions. Correct I create or not correct, and you can see yes it's correct. Okay, after this we need create stiffness for these elements. I select all elements, go to material properties, touch add rect bar 3E7. After this 2020, touch apply and apply. After this it's all. Go to analysis, complete analyze, go to result, see how deformation this frame, go to initial model, and I can see diagrams and moments. Yeah, you can see we have balance in this position. And after this QZ, it's how calculate this frame. It's the last frame what we with you calculate together today. And the next frame is your personal work. I show on a big space this. Please calculate this frame without me. And after this, all should send screen with diagrams, moment, and shear force and N to comments in group. Yeah, you can see when we write this lesson start. And after this, maybe after 2 hours or 3 hours, or maybe today evening, I add video how calculate this, and that's all. If you have question, you can ask me in group, write in comment, and or personally message. Big thanks that you see this broadcast. in future I added your homework, what you should do, and you should send report with homework to the next lesson. Okay, big thanks. I think for this we completed this broadcast, and in future I added link on this video when YouTube gives this link to group, and edit video how calculate the last frame. Big thanks. Goodbye.